Hello everyone, I am Shuran. I appreciate the opportunity to be with you today. I am here to talk to you about the fintech case, Revolut, a financial super app from Challenger Bank. Here we go and listen to me please. Today my topic will be presented in three parts: introduction, case study, and conclusion. First part, background and introduction. The 2008 financial crisis was a disaster. Lehman Brothers alone allowed 4,500 people to leave London office, where its European headquarters held. Traditional big banks have merged or acquired a large number of banks that have closed down like Lehman, which has brought unprecedented concentration to the British banking industry. While the market share concentration has increased, customer satisfaction in the banking market has also been relatively reduced. So, Challenger Bank began to challenge traditional banks as a challenger who provide lower handling fees and full services. With rapid development, 91 challenger banks have come around the world, including 20 in the UK. Among these challenger banks in UK, one of the unicorn, Revolut, and also the highest valued challenger bank and startup in UK, has just raised Series E funding of $800 million in July 2021, with a valuation of $33 million. Revolut started by providing multi-currency exchange service without handling fees. It does not rely on complete bank licenses, but grows quickly by obtaining licenses such as lower threshold digital currency license. So far, Revolut has accumulated 15 million users, 3 times that of the second player Monzo, another popular digital bank in UK. In 2022, there are 18 million users using Revolut services and spread business to over 200 countries and regions. Based on the popular challenger bank we have talked about above, we will put Revolut as the case to explore financial innovations introduced by challenger banks. We improved the case study methodology, which is increasingly used in highly contextualized studies. The study was focused on the following 3 research questions. 1. What product innovations have been implemented by Revolut in regard to the customer's access to financial markets? 2. How does Revolut, the behalf of challenger banks, compete with traditional financial institutions? 3. What are socio-economic consequences of innovations introduced by challenger banks? The second part, case study and Q&A. Revolut raised a series of financial innovations. As the most valued challenger bank in Europe, Revolut's story does not revolve around bank licenses or loan market cap, but is more like a Silicon Valley startup story we are familiar with. Using a good product to solve the founder's own needs, travelers do not need to open an overseas account. Except cross-border services, other product innovations can be identified among investment products offered by Revolut, including investment brokerage solutions based on the concept of fractional share investing or trading, cryptocurrencies trading platform, commodity trading including gold, and also Revolut is going to be really a one-stop platform that can meet all the financial needs of modern consumers and also a real global digital bank. To face the challenges from competitors, Revolut have optimized their market strategies. The primary market target audiences of Revolut are young customers, millennials, who are active users of mobile technologies and frequent travelers or frequent online shoppers. Meanwhile, Revolut started servicing small and medium-sized enterprises as SME business customers, but this segment remains the secondary audiences. For these digital-skilled customers, the easiness of using Revolut services with smartphones as well as affordable prices are essential enhancers of financial inclusiveness. For the revenue, Revolut employs the freemium pricing model, offers a free-of-charge basic package of services while going beyond basic limits is paid, or it requires service upgrading. Of course, Additional charges for exceeding limits are relatively low and transparent for customers. They offer three types of packages: standard, free of charge, premium, $9.99 per month, and metal, $16.99 per month. Compared to traditional financial institutions, Revolut stands out from the crowd with its unique investment offer and user-friendly interface. These characteristics result in the number of more than 10 million downloaded applications and 4.7, a very high assessment by users of the Google Play Shop. And we have to know, in the past few years, traditional banks have been adapting to new technologies at their own pace, investing in cloud and mobile applications, and continuously reducing the number of offline outlets. But Revolut could be partner relationship with traditional banks. For instance, Lois, they provide a real bank account for Revolut. As for the consequences, when it was announced to become a real global digital bank in 2018, Revolut was quite executive in international expansion, so they are building a borderless, customer-centric platform which feels personal to everyone and will serve as their trusted companion to manage and grow their money. Initially, Revolut was currency exchange for travelers provider, which enabled the company to become one of the leaders of the pan-European market of financial services. Then, Revolut introduced significant innovations to both traditional and alternative investment products, offered with the use of a mobile application. Revolut was one of the first challenger banks to provide investment services consisting of stock and commodity trading. The operations of challenger banks, and Revolut in particular, contribute to removing the barrier of inaccessibility to numerous financial services. Thanks to the solution of fractional shares, investment services become more accessible to citizens with low levels of savings. Revolut offers enabling small and non-technologically advanced investors to purchase gold and cryptocurrency, which are inaccessible in traditional financial institutions. Besides, the COVID-19 pandemic, resulting in the need for social distancing, is a new factor stimulating digital transformation of financial services, both at the side of customers and financial institutions. Must be certain, what Revolut did increases financial inclusion and brings socioeconomic benefits. The third part, conclusion. Let's make a brief conclusion. Whenever you talk about Revolut in the challenger bank industry, it is like talking about Barclays in the traditional financial industry. As a unicorn in the digital bank industry, Revolut has made outstanding contributions in the field of financial and technology innovation. Relevant data shows that Revolut is growing very fast in the digital financial industry, and its potential users are more than 50 million, the most distributed in the world, coming from more than 200 countries and regions. Over the past years, challenger banks around the world have introduced significant financial innovations. Their innovative approach refers not only to the business offer or technological side of products, but also to the regulation layer. The fact that other challenger banks and fintech companies follow this innovation and introduce similar investment products indicates that the financial market is under permanent transformation triggered by the innovations presented in the study. It is impossible for traditional banks to get the valuation method of Revolut, and Revolut has no intention of becoming a traditional bank. It maintains the concept of mobile first and tries to build a super app in the field of financial services. Till now, the above is all of the content I want to share today. Thanks everyone. Thanks for your patience. Have a good day.